Okay, it is Thursday, and we are finally semi-done with this car. We got the handles and the locks in. We've buffed it a little bit. Unfortunately, we can't buff it too much because this, I don't know, the compound is acting weird. I think it's just way too cold for it. But we redid nice rhino lining on the floor. So as soon as that dries, it'll be nice. Everything seems to be in order. Fender is on. Everything closes nicely. We got nice gaps. Well, as nice as we can get up there. The rest of them are fantastic. For the antenna, got the studs and the brackets that I made back in. We still got to put the rubbers on. And we have got to just clean it even more. Yeah, buddy. And we spent the last 2 days, actually the last week, taking apart the car. Joe's been sanding on it to get off all of the pretty bad paint, man. This paint was horrible. Front of the car is off. We won't even discuss that. We've got gold. We've got Wimbledon white. We've got blue. But every single bolt is wrong in this car. They've got the bolt set up where usually you have a U-nut and then you put the bolt in. Oh no. They not only put a nut and bolt, but they put nylon bolts which stay tight all the way out. So it's been fun. But she's good. We're getting there. We're gonna have to do a little bit of rewiring on that because that is just done completely wrong. I'm surprised they didn't have a fire in this thing. But we will figure it out. She's coming along nicely. All right, guys, like and subscribe. And we will show you some stuff tomorrow when this puppy goes back to Mr. Roy so that he can assemble it, and then he's going to have to bring it back to us so we can cut and buff it once it warms up. Because we just can't do it right now. The paint is not drying the right way. So as soon as that paint hardens up right, we're going to cut and buff this puppy, and she's going to be pretty. Keep watching.